I have a confession. I actually hate teaching Forex, but this is why. Hey guys, it's Hither Mann, and yes, I have just said I hate teaching Forex, but I have a disclaimer. There are reasons why, and it's only in these circumstances that I don't enjoy teaching it. So if you've been following me on YouTube before, then you know exactly what I do. If you're new to YouTube and you're new to my channel, then thank you so much. Make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. I talk about everything from wealth creation, from Forex trading. I even mention property, and I talk about everything and anything that will just get you to where you want to be when you want to be retiring rich and way under 10 years. So why do I hate teaching Forex? Now, it's only in these circumstances that I don't enjoy it. And it is, number one, when someone is absolutely broke and they approach Fortune Academy, either myself on social media or my team, and they say, I'm desperate for money, I've got no money, I need to do Forex. And honestly, in those scenarios, I tell my team, and I don't even bother saying it anymore, I just let my team take over, that you cannot do this if you haven't got enough money. Because why? If you haven't got a stable income stream, then you're just going to put so much pressure on your Forex trading that you're going to try and make a little bit of money because you're broke anyway, grow so fast that you're really not going to make it. You're really going to cause a lot of stress. So I hate teaching Forex to those kind of individuals, and I have done it in the past where I didn't have such a strong filtration system before people came into Fortune Academy, and it was very hard to get results out of those kind of individuals because they are literally broke mentally. I think being poor and being broke is a mindset issue. It's got nothing to do with all the other factors that people mention, okay? So, by the way, Cocos agrees too. The other issue is when people on the lifetime training stop trading, you know, and they trade just for like a 3-month period and then they stop and they expect like the world to fall on their lap. I hate teaching Forex to those individuals. I've made it really strict at Fortune Academy again, that if you want to recap the programs, which are free of charge, when you come into my lifetime programs, you can recap the training and it's a live training with me in a workshop or a live stream. You can come to that for free. We are very good, but only if you have shown proof of a live trading record, and if you know, my coaches who mentor you every week actually think that you're mentally sharp and you are good at your trading. If you just stop and absolutely stop trading for months on end and then decide to pick it up a year later, I get a little bit annoyed with that. Those are the kind of people I think, wow, why did you even do this in the first place? Obviously, we're going to get people like that who are just lazy or pretend that life gets in the way or stuff just happens, and fair play if it did. So come back, but come back strong, and some of them do. But it's very difficult to get great results out of lazy people. That's when I hate teaching Forex. So in a nutshell, there's 2 scenarios I don't like. If you're completely broke, you have an income problem, you can't make Forex work for you. Or number 2, if you're just lazy, I hate teaching those individuals because I can't shake that lazy out of you sometimes. And to be honest, final point of this video, the only way you're going to get out of that hole is if something really bad happens to you, because you're driven by your comfort zone. Some people's comfort zone is just, I like to be broke, or I like to be in a vulnerable situation, because you feel like a victim and you celebrate that. But sometimes something has to break before you really take serious action. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. So in summary, if you're lazy, please don't bother with Forex, and please don't come to Fortune Academy, because I really get that annoying feeling when I'm meeting lazy students. Secondly, if you are broke, please don't do Forex because you have an income problem. Get that fixed and then come back. I would say you need at least £1,000 spare cash every month before you even consider Forex, okay? Last but not least, how to fix those problems if you are lazy. Well, the first one is an income problem. Second one, if you are lazy, well, I guess it will come through life challenges, and I hope you get a really strong challenge that will force you to come out of your comfort zone and really take action, because people will only change when things are really bad or they're inspired to take action. So I hope you find that inspiration. But you know what? Trading Forex is one of the best skills that I've ever learned, and that's why I'm so passionate about it. But I want to make people understand it's not for the weak-minded, and it needs a lot of dedication and needs a lot of discipline. So please just come in with that attitude. Click the link below if you're serious and you fit into my criteria as such. That link will teach you exactly what you need and will give you there's a free masterclass involved, and you can see a lot of information before you understand what Forex trading I do. So make sure you click that link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have plenty more coming up because I have so much to talk about when it comes to Forex and everything else. So anyway guys, see you in the next video. Bye.